In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Forms from Google Sheets from scratch. We're going to keep this simple and practical, and by the end, you'll have a brand new Google form created directly from a Google Sheet. This is a useful shortcut if you're already working inside Sheets and want to quickly start collecting responses without building everything from a separate Forms tab. To begin, open your Google spreadsheet in Google Sheets. If you're starting fresh, that can simply be a blank spreadsheet. This method works well when you want to connect your form workflow to a sheet right from the start, which can make response tracking and organization much easier later on. Once your spreadsheet is open, move your attention to the top menu bar and click on Tools. This menu contains a variety of built-in options for working more efficiently inside Google Sheets, and one of those options lets you generate a form directly from your spreadsheet. After opening the Tools menu, click on Create a New Form. As soon as you do that, Google will automatically generate a new Google form and link it to the spreadsheet you opened. This is one of the fastest ways to create a form while also making sure the responses have a connected destination for collection and review. From there, your new Google form will open, and now it's time to customize it. This is the stage where you shape the form to match your goal. You can update the form title so it clearly reflects the purpose of the form, and you can adjust the description if you want to give respondents extra context or instructions. You can also begin editing the default fields, changing question text, selecting question types, and organizing the layout in a way that feels clear and professional. As you customize the form, keep the user experience in mind. Clear wording makes the form easier to complete, and a clean structure helps reduce confusion. If the form is for signups, feedback, surveys, or internal data collection, making each question specific and easy to understand will improve the quality of the responses you receive. And that's it. You started in Google Sheets, opened the Tools menu, created a new form, and then customized it to fit your needs. It's a quick process, but it's a very effective one, especially if you want your form and spreadsheet connected from the beginning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.